Hi, this is Rob with SalesPad. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up recurring sales. As I log in here, I'm going to pull up Aaron Fitz to show you where to begin. But first, let's go into the security editor so I can show you where to set up all the modules needed for recurring sales. I have my security editor up here on the favorites bar. I also have a video on how to set that up. I'm in the admin group, so as I come in here, I'm going to choose that group, and I'm going to use this list on the right hand side to select my recurring sales modules. You can see that I have recurring sales checked, I have recurring sales definition checked, and I also need to check customer recurring sales. So those three are the main ones that are required for recurring billing. After making sure those are checked, you'd want to save and then go to log out to apply those changes. Then once we log back in, we can go and see where those modules are. So again, I'm going to go to the customer card, and you'll see here I have the recurring sales tab where I have my recurring sales definitions set up. For now, I have this one here that I've used for testing. I'm going to go ahead and create a new one, and I'm going to call this one just some name, and then I'm going to choose to output a standard invoice. So after this, I need to add a document that I've set up previously as a template for my recurring documents. So as my template, I'm going to go back to the customer card and choose this invoice I've created. You can see it's just a standard invoice, but I've added two service plans as items, and I'm going to take the document number and copy it, then go back to my recurring sales definition and go to add document, where I can paste that number into it. You can see the items have shown up here. These will be the items that will be recurred when creating our recurring documents. Now that we've added the items on here, we need to go set the recurring dates. And this simply lets us set a range of dates to recur the documents on. So in this case of a monthly invoice, we're going to add a monthly date range. So we're going to start this on, let's say, next month on the 5th, and we're going to have this go until the end of the year. So we'll have it go until January 5th. We're going to have it recur every one day of the month, so it should create a monthly recurring pattern for us here. It looks like in my case here, it used the 1st of the month, because when I went to add my date range, I had the first day selected. So that's why normally you'd want to then choose the 5th when creating that. So having done that, we need to make sure that the enabled checkbox is checked, otherwise this recurring definition will not work. And then finally we have to save it and close. Okay, so now that I have my definition set up, I'm going to go to the modules menu and go down to the recurring sales generator module. Here I need to choose a date in the future. I'm going to go out to May, then click on build list. You'll see it's showing me a few future invoices that I can create. I'm going to choose the next one for April, check it, and then click on generate. I can put in a comment here if I so choose. It's also possible to generate multiple documents at the same time with this screen. So I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching this video. This is Rob with SalesPad.